Well, hello everyone. This is the Rangoli Mandala die with shadow. So today I'm gonna tell you how to assemble this die in a different way. One way of this using this die is just taking the die cut and taking the shadow and the die, and this is a complete die in itself. But to give it a little more twist, see how beautiful it can be done with a little bit of paper piecing. So that's what I'm going to tell you now. So here is one of the die cuts which I'm going to paste. This is my mat for glue, and this is my scraper. I have scraped that. Okay. So I'm gonna paste this right on top of this, like so, and I have all my pieces ready, cut and ready. Okay, so let's begin the process. So I have the smaller pieces. Let me just apply some glue here first in between all these. It's very simple and a easy way to work out with these dies. Super easy. Okay, so let's begin. Let me just take my tweezer as well. Okay, now let's move on. I've taken 3 colors. The base is of the lightest shade, and then I have 2 different colors. This paper piecing tool really comes in handy. It's a way, I think this is rhinestones tool, rhinestone picking tool. I got it from Amazon only. Yeah, and so okay. So now the next piece will be a different color again. Let me just apply glue. Oops. I'm going to apply a darker shade, not this one, because then and just going one by one. Pehle I took dark color, then I took a medium shade, and now again I want to take the darker shade. at the edges. When you die cut product now, one side is the neater side, rounded edges, and the other one is a little blunt edges. So apply the rounded edges on the top. Though it doesn't make a difference, but neatness आता है. Okay, and last but not the least, I just need a few of these okay, and I'm gonna leave these because I like it, the pink popping out of that. You can paste if you want. I don't think it is necessary, too much of hard work, and वो pink अच्छा ही लग रहा है. That's why I took the base color like that. And now I'm gonna take glue, okay, and I'm gonna paste this right on top of, and here you go. See how pretty it looks. I made this video for the third time now. I had made this earlier, but this is not my color taste. It's okay, Diwali colors ka theek hai, but this is my color theme. This is my taste, so I thought I'll make it in these colors right now for you. I hope you enjoyed, and beautiful dyes these are. Thank you so much for watching.